Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 4th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of the 30th of October, 2024, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.94. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a loss of 21.29%. This equates to an average daily loss of 5.32% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken a very wide and falling short-term trend downward. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is suggested, but we may see false breaks and sell-offs during this period. Nevertheless, further declines appear plausible, and any rebounds back to the breakpoint at $27.15 should be viewed as a second chance to exit the position. According to fan theory, $6.30 could represent the new lower boundary of the upcoming trend, although it is still too early to make that determination with certainty. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 27.22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 24.09% to an increase of 34.21%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 9.11% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 9.11% and 426.68%. This translates to a price range of $28.40 to $137.10 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline: High volatility in supermicrocomputer stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $26.03. The supermicrocomputer stock price fell by approximately 0.0768% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, from $26.05 to $26.03. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 17.03%, with a low of $23.90 and a high of $27.97. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of approximately 45.54% during this period. Notably, the volume fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should correspond with stock movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 9 million shares, with a total of 91 million shares traded for around $2.37 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $122.90, while the lowest price was $23.90. Currently, the price is approximately 78.82%, or $96.87, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer Incorporated, trading under the ticker SMCI, is encountering significant challenges that could heavily influence its stock price in both the short and long term. Recently, the resignation of its auditor, Ernst & Young, has triggered a sharp decline in share prices, with approximately a 70% drop over the last 6 months. This decline is primarily due to concerns about accounting irregularities and the potential for delayed financial filings. The market's reaction has been cautious as it weighs the possibility of delisting from Nasdaq amid these uncertainties. With an earnings report due soon, analysts suggest that the company's immediate financial performance may be overshadowed by these ongoing issues, diverting investor attention away from tangible results. Furthermore, there are calls for leadership changes at the CEO level, which, if not addressed swiftly, could further erode the company's competitive edge within the booming AI sector. While some investors believe that these accounting problems may be isolated, the looming risk factors present significant hurdles. Looking ahead, the impact of these developments on SMCI's stock could be pronounced. In the short term, continued volatility is likely as investors digest both the earnings report and any updates on the auditor situation. In the long run, uncertainty around governance and financial stability may deter investments, calling into question SMCI's ability to capitalize on the potential of the AI market, which is critical for its recovery and growth trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a buy rating with an initiate recommendation. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicrocomputer stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have provided the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock for Supermicrocomputer is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $36.91 and $43.49. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 29, 2024, with the stock having dropped by 47% so far. Further declines are projected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, both volume and price declined, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically mirrors price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 80 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 104 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. If conditions align unfavorably, the stock may experience significant declines over the next few days. This stock exhibits considerable daily movement, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.07 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 17.03%. In the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 13.32%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate modest expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2024 is expected on the 5th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 75 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for supermicrocomputer is at $26.05. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no substantial support from accumulated volume below this level, which means the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of October, 2024, Tuan Sherman made an insider purchase of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Tuan Sherman also executed an insider sale of 2,964 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that date, Tuan Sherman sold 25,000 shares of stock option, which grants the right to buy. On the 30th of October, 2024, Liang Charles conducted an insider purchase of 1,667,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Liang Charles sold 928,030 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 20.478. In total, insiders acquired 3,441,347 shares and disposed of 5,232,199 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 5th, we expect supermicrocomputer to open lower, down by approximately 6.3 cents, beginning at $25.97. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.